comes like this. So this is the tray, very big tray, very big. And then we have 2 racks. We have this one which goes in like this, and then we have another one which is this one. So if you want to cook 2 things at the same time, you can use the 2 racks. One can go here and another food can go here. So this is how it looks like. This is a tray, it comes like this. So today we're gonna try and use it. And this is the main house. This is the main house for the air fryer. So we're gonna try and use it. So it comes with a plug. It comes with a plug. It comes with a plug. This is the plug. The wire is long enough. You can see how long it is. It's very long. And you have this department here, which you can use it to fold your wire, as you can see, so as it won't be all over the place. It is a ventilation there. So let's do it. I've just plugged the air fryer on the socket there. So this is the air fryer. Now when I press the drawer, so the functions, they're gonna light up like this. So this is like a start button, restart button. The features we have here: air fryer, fries, bacon, wings, preheat, cancel, stop, temperature, start, turn reminder, roast, dehydrate, keep warm, broil, and this is bake. So I'm gonna try and cook something so as I can show you how it works. So I'll take the drawer out. I will just use one tray. So because I don't want to clean too much, I will try and cover the tray. Let me just position the camera properly. So what I did, I bought one of these from the supermarket. It's one of the liner. You can use it for the air fryer like this. Or if you don't have this, I use this one, foil, just normal foil. So I'm gonna show you how I will use the foil. I will just cover this nicely, because I'm not going to cook anything oily. If you're cooking something oily, you can make some holes in it so as the oil can go down. But I'm not gonna cook anything oily, so this is how I do it. And then I'll just press 1 chicken fillets. I'll show you one of these, and it's frozen. It's okay to put it straight away. So this is the one here. So I'll place it inside like this, and then I'll bring the camera closer so I can show you what I'm going to press. And I'll press this. I'm gonna choose wings, because wings, they cook so quick, and this one is already cooked, but it's just to like warm it up and cook it a little bit. Yeah, so I'll press wings. I've just pressed this one, wings. So it shows me 200 centigrade heat, and then 25 minutes, but I want to make it for 20 minutes. So I'm gonna lower it down here, 20 minutes. And then what I'm gonna do, I'll just press start, and it has to preheat first. So what you can do, you can either wait for the fryer to preheat, or you can just put everything inside and let it preheat and start straight away. So this is what I usually do. I don't just wait to preheat and then put the stuff in, no. So this is how it is. As soon as you finish preheat, it will beep. After beeping, it will continue cooking. If you didn't put anything in, pull the drawer, put the stuff in and put it back. You don't have to press anything. Straight away it's gonna start. I can smell some you know, like when you buy something new, you can smell the metals and things like that. They said it's normal, it's usual, so nothing to worry about. It doesn't take long to preheat. Not too long. I've had 2 people asking me about this fryer because I've used it to cook some cakes and some fish, like a fish. So they were like, oh, how does it work? Is it nice? So then I decided to share with you guys. So yeah, it's quite nice. It's something which you don't have to miss in your kitchen. If you can afford it, it's worth it. And it's not that expensive, it's affordable. So now it's telling you add food. I'm not gonna add any food because I've already added the food. So straight away it will continue cooking. You see? So it's gonna count down, and then as soon as you finish, it's gonna beep again. Actually, in the middle, it's gonna ask you to turn the food. I'll come back and show you. So guys, halfway it's gonna beep. As soon as it's 10 minutes remaining, it's gonna ask me to turn the food. So let's wait, because we said 20 minutes. We said 20 minutes, so halfway it's gonna ask me to turn the food so it can cook evenly. So now it's telling me to turn the food. So I'll pull the drawer. Let me show you. I'll turn the food like this, push it in, and straight away it will continue cooking. We are still there. 4 minutes remaining. Guys, thank you for being here. I appreciate your time. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to me, share, like, and comment. For returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. And also, I've done a few cooking with this air fryer. I'll put the links on the description box so you can have a look. I've done fish and also cake. Yeah, so the cake turned out to be very, very nice. I didn't expect that because usually I use oven to bake cake. So yeah, so this fryer, really, you can do a lot with it, and it saves time. Also easy to clean, as you're gonna see. I did a video on that one too, how to clean the air fryer, especially this one, specifically this one. Yeah, so let's see how the food is gonna turn to be. Let's see the food how it's gonna turn, and then we can give the overall review. But so far so good, so far so good. So nearly to the end, or when it finishes, it's gonna beep, just to let you know, just in case you are away from the kitchen or room. I don't know where you're gonna place your air fryer, so it will just alert you. Sorry, that's baby, he's happy watching his program. So yeah, so it will alert you, it will tell you exactly when the food is finished cooking, so as you can come and switch it off or enjoy your food. 2 minutes remaining, 2 minutes. So I got this air fryer from in England, but maybe you can get it from anywhere else, Amazon, I don't know, anywhere else, I don't know where. But the shop where I bought the air fryer is in UK, I think in America also. I'm not sure about Canada and Africa, but yeah. So there's so many type of air fryers, so many brands, but it's your choice which one you want to go for. Some are affordable, some expensive, but for me, so far I'm happy with this one. I'm gonna keep this one. So far so good. So let's see what's gonna happen after 0 minutes. After 0 minutes, it's gonna tell us the food is ready. So it's really quick, very quick. You don't have to be around to switch on the oven off, or turn the food, or turn the food, yes, but to switch off the oven, or to switch to check if the food is okay, what temperature, change temperature, timing, or sometimes you don't time, you have to keep looking until the food is ready. But this one, it times the food, it gives you the right temperature. So the countdown is going fast now. 36, 35. So the good thing about the air fryer, it gives it times it gives you the time, right? That's how it's gonna let you know with the beeps. I don't know how many are they, but they beep enough for you to notice. So this is our food. Let me turn the camera down. See how nice the food is, guys. It's all done, no worries at all. Look at that, so yummy, cooked in the air fryer. So usually I'll put like 3 or 4 of these ones, but I just wanted to show you how good is this air fryer. So the overall review for me, I quite like this machine. I've used it several times. So far so good, I'm happy. So thank you guys. If you would like to share the video, please share, like, comment, and subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Nice and clean. I'm using hot water.